Hey y'all, hey, so today I'm gonna do me a little birthday do. I just finished getting out of the shower and rinsing my hair, and my hair has sucked up the water already. So I'm gonna reapply the water. And today I am gonna get into this melanin hair care. I'm gonna use it as a leave-in to just give me a softness and define my curls. I'm not really looking for a shiny glow situation. I just want it to hold me down when I go out in this heat. So yeah, I'm gonna use this melanin hair care. I forgot I had it, and we just gonna see what it give me. And I'm gonna run out and get my little birthday drink from Starbucks. I'm gonna tell you something. If you ain't got a friend, child, Starbucks will always remember you every year. Okay, I don't care if you don't buy a drink for like 6 months. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and massage it in and do what it do. Woo woo woo. Yes, girl, I look like Woody Woodpecker today. But good God, let me tell you something, bitch. 42 where? I am so thankful and so grateful. I don't look like what I've been through, and I will continue to do what it is and achieve my goals and do what it is that I came here to do. But anywho, y'all see that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, so we gonna keep on massaging her and working her in. And I don't know what that little white piece was. It could have came from out of the I'm not sure, but we gonna pull that out. Keep it pushing. But yeah, I'm really feeling this minimal hair care type of situation. But I'm gonna add a little bit more water to it. We'll bow. Yeah. Oh, I got another one. So it has to be the stuff because I just got out the shower. But then again, it could have been something that came out of what I had on my hair previously. And that's another reason why I had to let my locks go because my hair, I cannot have any type of buildup. My hair does not do well with anything up there too long. I can't do a lot of heavy products. So, yeah, I'm going to give an update on what she is giving and how she holds me down. Okay, I'm going to do a close up in the bathroom. Yeah. Okay, this is what she gave me on my way out the door. Right, okay. And I still got some curls left over after being in the heat and coming home and cooking in the heat.